Alright, hey guys, here we have a Casablanca Stealth in black with rosewood. Seems like I've really been killing the game lately with the Stealths, as this is my fourth one. But this one's a little bit different, and that is because it is Comfort Touch. So, this fan was, for the most part, complete. It was missing the blade to blade hub screws, missing a light bulb, which I'm not really surprised. This fan also came with an LCA, which I'm pretty sure Casablanca said not to use that on the Stealth, but I could be wrong. Also, this fan came with a Comfort Touch remote, but unfortunately the transmitter on the remote is toast, so it operates, it does all of its settings and such, but it doesn't actually transmit the signal to the fan, so yeah. So I'm just using a remote from, I think Panama, I want to say. Yeah, from my Comfort Touch Panama. But yeah. Anyways, this fan is from March 17th, 1993, and was the 712th fan made that day. Overall, this fan's in really good shape. I know my other black one was far from being perfect. This one's definitely really nice. The rosewood's coming out better in the viewfinder than it is actually on the in person. So I threw the canopy on from the other Stealth. This one actually says Stealth, which is kind of cool. This is my first Stealth that's not from 1996. All my other ones, I believe, are from 96, so kind of cool change in pace. Alright, yeah, we'll do test mode. So test mode on this is basically the same thing as demo mode, but it's a little bit more lengthy. Going to speed 3 now. It skipped over speed 2. I think it's going to go to speed 6 next. It just kind of skips around some. So the light should be increasing in intensity. That kind of works. I'm just focusing more on the fan though. Yeah, now we're going to speed 6. This fan does wobble quite a bit, and that is due to the fact that I believe two of the blades are fairly warped, and those two were right next to each other, so it really messed with the flywheel. And now the portion where the flywheel mounts to the shaft is bent, so it doesn't like to sit straight. I don't think it's going to fix itself over time. I think I'm going to have to replace the flywheel. Gosh, I hate how halogens turn everything green. It's worse than fluorescent. So I'm just going to leave the remote here for a little bit while the light's on. Now, Comfort Touch is weird. When it turns off, it doesn't actually turn off immediately. It takes a second. See? So the light's off, but it's obviously still on. I actually think that's kind of a cool feature, how it dims off. Alright, and it knows. So let's stop it. Let's go through general settings. Alright, so let's get the fan to speed 1. So you actually have to hold down you have to continuously press the fan button with the light. Okay, the light's all the way on low. You can just hold it and it'll go up. Yeah, so that's off. It'll take a second. Go up a speed. To speed 2. It's got a little arrow that shows the direction of air, which is kind of cool. So it's in downdraft, so it's pointing downward. Let's go to speed 3. I think if they're going to bother with doing an arrow, they should have at least, done something else. Like maybe instead of an arrow, do summer and winter. I think they actually have a winter setting. Yep, there it is. So yeah, I mean, the original remote, I've done what I can. I've changed the channel several times. I've set the remotes to the same channel. And I think this one's on 53 right now, but I don't remember. Just doesn't seem to make a difference. All right, let's go to speed 4. Speed 5. It was kind of interesting when I was doing test mode. It didn't wobble in reverse, but it wobbled in downdraft. Or forward, I should say. Alright, and speed 5. Or speed 6, my bad. The really wobbly one. So yeah, if I'm gonna be installing this, I'm gonna have to swap that flywheel. I don't think this is gonna fix itself. And I'm really not one for putting weights on blades. It's just not my thing. 90%, 99% of the time you can fix a wobbly fan without adding weights. Weights are just for people that don't know what they're doing. Turn the light on. I'm gonna go to the lowest setting so it doesn't totally green out the view. Does that make a difference? I don't know if you... No, turn off. Okay, so it goes up in intensity to turn off. How does that make sense? I think that's the lowest setting. It doesn't actually show, so I'm just guessing here. Yeah, we'll leave it on. I believe that's the lowest. Yeah. Oh no, that was the second lowest. I think each bar is 2. So that's the lowest setting of low. That's the second lowest. Yeah. So they have 2. It's not a huge difference, but it's there. Yeah, this is a really beautiful fan. I wish I had somewhere to install this. Yeah, these blades are gorgeous. I love this combination. It's probably my favorite combo for the Stealths. let's see if we can time this right. So this is going to go brighter to turn off, because that makes sense. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna. Looks like the light's gonna go off the same time this stops. Ah, it was so close. Alright, well there's my Comfort Touch Casablanca Stealth in black. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.